Hey everyone, Paul Daniels here, and another daily fix. So it's been about a week of non-stop rain in this region. We're cut off from the mainland, so to speak, or the coastal roads, and the big town called Townsville has been flooded out quite badly. So I'm just going to have to sit here and wait it out because there's not much else we can do. The bridge that connects us to the rest of the world, so to speak, has been cut off. It's currently a couple of meters underwater. It will go up to about 10 meters underwater, and all you can do is wait it out. So in the meantime, we've got an iPhone 6 here, and this is one I've repaired before, just with normal screen and battery type job, but the person went in and had the screen replaced by another place when they were out of town, and then the next day it just died. So I'm going to have a look and see what's caused that. Okay, so I've just opened it up. First thing I notice is the paint is coming off the screen here, and usually that's not a good start. Indicates typically that the phone's pretty damn dodgy, the screen that is. Super dodgy. So if we're lucky, it's just a dead screen. Anyway, I know this is one that I've worked on before because I got my color markers, and I'm fairly sure this is a battery I've put in because it particular type it is. Looks like it's been through the wars though. It's got a couple of puncture marks on it, so I might have to replace that again. Yeah, that was actually barely in. Was it as simple as that? Battery just wasn't in? No. Plug it in and see what happens. Well, it's definitely getting full charge rate. Still nothing on display. Alright. Other possibility is just that maybe one of the connectors isn't sitting down properly and it's lifted off a bit. Everyone's fine. It's fine. Well, I don't have any compression pads there, but that is fine. And I can see damage on the touch connector. Or at least it looks like damage. So let's get a microscope. Yeah, dear sweet Bridget, what do these people do to these phones? I mean, come on. Look at that. That damage. What are they? They've come in with something like a metal implement and just jammed all the stuff through. God damn. Seriously, people, if you're hiring people even just for, I shouldn't say just, but for phone screen replacements, and please do still make sure they're competent. I mean, goodness knows, we all make mistakes, so maybe this was an innocent mistake, but by the looks of it, it's a bit of a work habit that they've got to use a implement to, and see a bit of a nick here too. Yeah, anyway, I'm not sure which one is actually at fault here, whether it was this goop that they left in, or whether it's that broken. I'm suspecting that's probably going to be a big fault too. I'm amazed that the customer didn't complain about touch issues. Let's see if I can somehow hook this out. We do not want to have to replace this connector. There we go. Let's see if we have any luck now. Actually, I should probably check the connectors on the screen itself. They look okay, at least at first glance. Still nothing. Alright, time to get a test screen. Alright, bad screen, along with bad connector. Some seriously shonky quality. It's worse than mine. Interestingly, it looks like they're getting their screens from the same supplier I have, but these are probably the budget clone ones, whereas I get the refurb units. 1% charge. Just make sure that charges up a bit. We'll try back the other screen again. Bloody useless. I didn't even try. What? They didn't even put the camera key plastic in there. Bloody hell. Alright, so we need to clean the home button up. We need to get a new home. That's an iPhone 5 adhesive home button thing. Clean up this one. It's just frustrating when these stores, they get the bulk of the customers it seems, but they also destroy a lot of them. Just through the fact that they're rushing, they're under time pressures, the staff don't get paid a lot. Ah, that's a mess. It's not even the right screw. That's not the right screw. It's similar, but it's not the right one. I could get a spare. Check the home button's okay. Okay, it clicks. It's good. Yeah, do that sometimes, otherwise sometimes the plate presses against the home button a little bit too much. Stops it functioning. Get ourselves a spare guide, since they didn't replace the previous one. Better check the camera and things like that too. At least the lens doesn't look too damaged. We had a screw missing from here, and I'm betting it's actually this one, and they put it in the wrong place. Well, what do you know? It was. Just test and confirm. That's right, that on-off button doesn't work on this. I think the charge port needs a clean out too. Some disgusting muck in there. And the center pin is down, so that's going to cause trouble in the future. We're all good.